Welcome to the facility. As the quality engineer here, my priority is ensuring that every single product meets our rigorous international.
We source this from sustainable plantations. The quality must be impeccable for medical use.
Purity levels are stable. It meets the standard. We must maintain the flow rate precisely here. The specification for endotoxins is non-negotiable at this stage.
Adjusting the valve now.
We need to maintain the polymer ratio exactly at 2.5, Imran. Adjust the flow rate on the M2 dial now.
Confirm. The levels are stabilizing. The precision. We use the viscometer to ensure the polymerization is consistent across the batch. As you can see on the readout, the viscosity.
This step is crucial for hygiene. Ensure every surface is pristine before moving it to the conveyor for sterilization.
Here we see the fully automated dipping sequence. The glass formers are slowly submerged into the vat of concentrated latex, ensuring a uniform coat.
This second stage significantly increases the tensile strength. The durability control timing ensures a uniform coat.
This automated system ensures the rolled edges are perfectly uniform every time, maximizing efficiency.
Ensure the temperature holds steady at 45 degrees Celsius for the primary drying phase.
45 Celsius confirmed. The gradient is stable.
As you can see, the solvent is effectively removing the impurities. It's crucial that the flow rate.
This secondary tunnel ensures the moisture content is uniform across every batch.
How do you monitor the consistency in real time?
As the data shows, optimizing the robotic stripping sequence has improved our overall efficiency by nearly 25%.
See this chart? We must adhere strictly to the PSI guidelines for the instruments to be sterile.
Yes, Rahim, I am increasing the pressure now.
The key safety measure is the automatic shutoff. If the sensor detects misalignment, the line stops immediately.
Understood. And the emergency stop is right here.
The inflation strength test shows the expansion data peaking here. This indicates the performance benchmarks are being met successfully under high stress. The lubrication must meet the new comfort standards, Imran. Ensure the viscosity is exactly as specified on the chart. This foil provides an excellent oxygen and moisture barrier, essential for sensitive products.
And the integrity of the quad seals here?
They're perfect, well within tolerance.
Is moving. These automated machines are the heart of our operation. They seal thousands of an absolute precision.
As you can see, the batch code links directly to the production run database.
And the date stamp is perfectly aligned. Everything seems accurate.
Seal integrity check complete. Weight is exactly 500 grams, Rahim. All good. The key is maintaining this pace through the stacking phase, Imran, before it moves to the automated sorting area.
Understood.
These units ensure the temperature never fluctuates more than half a degree. It's crucial for the inventory.
The data aligns perfectly, Rahim. Everything is stable.
And every export carton must be labeled accurately according to the destination country's regulations to avoid delays at customs. Thank you all for your hard work. Now, Imran will review the new safety procedures. The first step is ensuring the lockout tag is properly.
The fluctuation peaked here at 1400 hours. The system compensated, but we need to address the underlying cause.
Is the stabilization holding in Sector 4?
The throughput data here suggests a bottleneck at Station 3.
Yes, the OEE figures confirm that. We need to adjust the robotic calibration.
Here it is, the culmination of all our efforts, ready for launch. Our most advanced product yet.
Our commitment to quality is unwavering. We ensure every product meets the highest standards before it leaves this facility. That is our promise to the customer.